My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Diamond, and also it is known as Duckcryptor ransomware. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will show you how damaging the ransomware is. This ransomware is called Diamond or Duckcryptor because it appends a special extension to the files that are encrypted by it. The extension is Duckcryptor, but it also contains the diamond phrase. The ransomware appends this diamond and Duckcryptor extension to the file names. It also changes the desktop background, which says Diamond Ransomware. So that's the title, and the extension that is appended is Duckcryptor. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware and do not waste your money, do not pay the ransom. There is no guarantee that you will get your files restored if you pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then click on the Start Scan button. The application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of these ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, even though it does not decrypt the files. You can upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. So upgrade to Premium, you can request trial. You'll get a free trial key so that you will be able to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.